Today we will be showing our F16AC barrel, and let's start by unpacking. This is how your barrel will be received. Comes with your manual and catalog also. Let's open up the lid. You will need to remove the protective foam from the top of the barrel, and let's take out the parts bag, which will come with 2 black fittings, a drum faucet, and 2 T's. Next, we will need to install the T's on top of the lid. And you will need to start by taking out this screw you see right here. You will want to take the first PVC pipe, place it up under the lid. Next, you will want to take your T and you will want to line that up. That's how it should look. Top, bottom. And next, you want to reinsert your set screw. And that is the installation of the T on the lid. Next, we will take the fittings. The first fitting needs to go in the inlet. And your inlet fitting will be where your compressor hose run to. Next, you have the water outlet fitting. And you will want to place a clear hose about 2 to 4 inches on the end of this fitting and place a bucket up underneath. This runs to your clean, cool return. And the last fitting would be where your drum faucet goes. Under your drum faucet, you will want to place a waste container, as this will be where your oil will be released from to drain and empty the barrel. Okay, as you can see, our compressor hose is running to our inlet fitting. Our water outlet has a little hose on it. You don't need much hose, however you feel is best. And then we have our discharge side with our drum faucet on. Now we will go ahead and open up the inside. I will explain now how this works. So basically, to your compressor, you will open this valve. The condensation will run in to the inlet fitting, and it will separate the condensation from the oil. The oil will drop down to the next level from the basket, and when that happens, you can now empty the unit. As you can see, we have oil buildup in here. Make sure you put a discharge container under the drum faucet, and I will now open the drum faucet, and it will let the oil out. And as you can see, the oil is coming out through the iod, through the drum faucet. Side note, with our F16AC barrel, depending on the lubricants you use with your compressor, it may not always separate the fluid from the oil. And if that happens, you can go in manually and take out the oil yourself. And that is the F16AC barrel.